Okay, so I speak a lot about the application of AI in private capital. Where do we think about the opportunities at asset class? Well, as I mentioned in prior videos, the first thing you want to do is look at the jobs to be done. So we think about when you step inside a private equity firm or venture capital firm, you've got key personas like investor relations, you've got finance, you've got the GP, you've got the LP, you have portfolio management, etc. Think about the jobs to be done by each of those. We went through a process of doing that and identified well over 100 separate jobs to be done that could be enabled, enhanced, and in some cases completely removed by AI. One of the things that you've got to be super conscious of when you think about regulated industry like private capital firms, then you've got to fully understand the implications of, first of all, that data being used in an LLM environment. So how you, for example, sharing data and documents with the LLM, you want to do that in a highly secure manner. Ideally, you want zero data retention applied to the LLM. You also want for none of your data or any of the data held within documents to be used for training purposes. So these are key considerations. So if you want to think about a step forward with your evaluation of potential applications of AI, take the time up front to break down the individual jobs to be done. So, for example, if you look at investor relations, you have LP queries, you've got capital calls that need to be managed, distributions that need to be managed, you've got tax documents, tax season tasks that could potentially be further enhanced with the application of AI. So that's job number one. The second thing you want to do is look at where is it appropriate to introduce a human in the loop. And what I mean by that is it's fine to, for example, mass upload all of your K1s or your tax documents for tax season, use an LLM to identify, okay, which of our records in our CRM system or in our LP portal do these documents belong to, and for it to go execute that. However, to approve that final step, you do need a human in the loop. You need to ensure that the right documents are getting to the right people. So saying that we have is if you're 1% wrong on a number or on a document, you're 100% wrong, right? Nobody wants to receive the investment documents for another investor or for a tax document belonging to someone else to go to them. It not only does it potentially put the relationship at risk, but it brings up some really significant data security issues for investors and indeed for yourselves. So take that advice, look at the jobs to be done, look at where the human in the loop is involved, and let me know how you get on. I'll talk to you soon.